If you see that you've made a mistake and you want to pull out and be able to get started again, don't be afraid to just pull. This yarn will kind of stay. It has memory because of the wool content in it. It won't like slither down further than it's supposed to. So you're gonna like pull until you get to a complete row. Now let me show you. If you end on this side, you want the point of the needle to be facing that way. So you're going to flip it over and you're going to thread the needle through this way. From back to front, one stitch at a time. So here's your loop, the left side and the right side. The right side is going to be closest to you, I guess, when you thread the stitches through. All right, let's keep going here. And then if you lose one of these little loops, I can show you how to get it, but I wouldn't, like let's say you lose this loop, right? I'll show you how to get it on the return trip. You want to be careful not to split the yarn, right? You want to be careful not to go through the stitch like that, but be sure to go all the way through the biggest loop and not through one of the plies. All right. Now this one is giving me a little trouble, so I'm going to pull it and thread it through like that. All right.